Hello, fellow developers. Today I'm going over the Improve tool. I suggest you go to the README here on the web and look at all the different flags you can use. I'm only going to be using a few, but this is a very powerful tool and allows you to get a lot of information from the Qodo merge and to help you in the review process. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate in here in the PR that I have. I'm going to actually paste in this improve, and I'm giving it some extra instructions. And from this, I'm also going to say that I only want one code suggestion, and I want to be able to allow me to commit it, where I'm not just seeing the instruction, but I can actually have it get committed and create another a diff for me in the commit. And then also go from 7 to 10. So anything from 7 to 10, it will pick that one and give it to me. So let me go ahead and comment that. So we'll see the eyeballs that Qodo merge will see the improve, and it's going to start doing its work. So we see that it actually went ahead and used this improve command and is actually giving me some examples. One, because I only asked for one. So in the joke handler, it's actually saying that some suggestions for the token validation. So this is kind of like a home run, but again, we can see that this is what it's suggesting me to do now. So I can actually, instead of just saying fetch the joke, get here, we can actually look and validate first. So I can commit this. So I can go ahead and say commit the changes. I could have put some comments in there if I wanted to. And now I have the comments and I had them auto commit. If I would have not had the auto commit to true, then I would have had to see the changes and then accept those too. So now that I have that, we're good to go with the changes, with the suggestions. Happy coding with Qodo.